To show completion of the ISTE Standard 1.A, I completed multiple assignments. For example, I collaborated with peers on a presentation on adult learning. I created a brief for guidelines for working with groups, and I explored different technology plans from multiple school systems. The ISTE Standard states, contribute to the development, communication, and implementation of a shared vision for the comprehensive use of technology to support a digital age education for all students. To begin, I created a Google Slides presentation. You are now viewing the Google Slides presentation that I collaborated with another peer to create. We created a Google Slides presentation on adult learning. We were able to give a brief overview of adult learning and also provide a definition of adult learning. We were able to identify different characteristics of adult learners and then move forward into the 5 assumptions of different adult learners.